Hazvina kumira zvakanaka panguva ino munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Pari kuonekwa kunzi especially the week ratapasa iri kunokonekwa kunzi patsakatika magenerals vakutosvika 3 panguva ine. Macircumstances zacho they are not clear. Even panguva ine statements which have been released, they are not explaining what really happened to these generals. Sana bina mashoko kubuda iri a warning iri kubuda panguva ine. Tichiona panguva ine it means a military genocide. Tichiona the people they are complaining. Pachiti mafiro arikuita magenerals munyika yeZimbabwe autoshamisa ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Comrade never masura sera make this post yamuri kuona kudanyira chiti. Dear Sadc, a military genocide is being committed in Zimbabwe. Why will you fold your hands and continue being the toothless entity that you are? Since June 28, 2020, close to 100 retired military generals have been assassinated. Panguva ine do one poster these pictures amurukona general, some of the recent deaths ema generals. Another post which could have gone on Marshal Jacob Jede, you were given slow poison. Effects appear later. Get it treated abroad. Only the truth is revealed. This is a life-saving warning. Never say we did not warn you. No a warning irikupiwa kuna ma generals. To enter again as well. When this post irikupostiwa ne anti-tweet alert generals and the retired listen. This letter is critical. A dark cloud is upon you. It reviews fully how Amazon is poisoning and eliminating you one by one. I released it publicly to everyone. Is a witness. When it happens, you cannot say you were never told. Doma developments arikuda panguva ine arikushamisa veruzhinji. Motidza mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section yedu, mufunguro enyu musasubscribe or like, on the bell icon.